From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of cluttered closets and wrinkled pants? I just discovered the game-changing pant hangers by IEOKE, and I'm obsessed. These hangers make organizing your wardrobe a breeze, with an easy setup that takes seconds, not minutes. The metal frame is sturdy and durable, giving you a sense of security when hanging your favorite pants. Plus, the slim and light design allows for quick and easy hanging, with a smooth glide that makes a soft whooshing sound as you slide your pants onto the hanger. I love how easy it is to use these hangers, the texture of the metal is cool to the touch, and the feel of hanging your pants is effortless. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The top-rated pant hangers by IEOKE are a cut above the rest, with a robust construction that can hold multiple pairs of pants without sagging or bending. In real-life use, I've found that these hangers are perfect for maximizing closet space, keeping my pants organized and wrinkle-free. Whether you're a busy professional or a student, these hangers are a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their wardrobe. I've tried other pant hangers in the past, but they always seem to fall short, with flimsy frames or cumbersome designs. The pant hangers by IEOKE are a breath of fresh air, with a design that's both functional and sleek. So why not give them a try? You won't be disappointed. With the pant hangers by IEOKE, you can say goodbye to cluttered closets and hello to a more organized, stress-free you. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.